This week, we are kicking off our biographies unit by going through and doing one together on Abraham Lincoln. So, your achieve this week is a birthday party for Lincoln. And you can start with the before reading poll, which says Abraham Lincoln believed slavery was wrong. He worked to end slavery. Many people did not like this. What do you think? You should always stand up for what you believe, even if others disagree. So pick agree, disagree, and explain why. Then we have the article to read and the vocabulary choices I have this week. Artifact, something used by people a very long time ago. Assassinate, to kill an important person to gain money or power. Bicentennial, the 200th birthday of someone or something. Celebration, a time when people have a special day. In slavery, when people are made to work for no money. Pay attention because many of you have 2 pages to that article, so make sure you click on that second page where it goes into dig deeper because some of the questions might be found on the second page, so make sure you read both before the activity. Let's take a look at the activity before you read. And I'm going to hit that print button so I can see all of them. And the first one is a main idea. So you're going to read these 3 details and then pick one sentence that includes the idea from these 3 details as your main idea choice. Question 2, think about Abraham Lincoln's life. What happened first? So that is a sequencing question, and you may need to refer back to the article. Question 3, synonym. Synonym means the same, so make sure you pick the word that means the same as celebration. Question 4, think about the article. Abraham Lincoln sometimes borrowed books from neighbors who lived miles away because. Question 5, which 2 words from the article are the closest synonyms? Remember, synonyms mean the same. Question 6, the article states, there are parties and other events. On January 31st, the city of Washington, D.C. recreated the party that took place after Lincoln became president. The National Park Service hosted a party at the Lincoln Memorial. Other events honor Lincoln's early life in Kentucky, Indiana, and Illinois. Also, many cities are holding talks on race and equality. Why did the author include the paragraph above in the article? Question 7, which statement from the article best shows that Abraham Lincoln liked to read? And last, question 8, the article says all of these except. So 3 of those will be found in the article. So you need to do that by process of elimination. Find the 3 that are in there, and therefore the one that you don't find is the one that you pick. This has a part 2. It says, question 9, look at page 2 of the article. Why was growing up difficult for Abraham Lincoln? Place 3 correct answers in the box. So you're going to pick 3 of those that show that it was hard. Question 10, part A, based on page 2 of the article, which statement describes Abraham Lincoln? And part B, which 2 statements support your answer to part A? Then you have a thought question. So let's get out of here. And the thought question this week is a sequencing question. It says, describe the key events in Abraham Lincoln's life. Write about these events in the order that they took place. So you need to put the key events that happened to him and put them in order. Which events show that Lincoln was an important leader? Explain why. Use information from the lesson in your answer. So let's click on this, include in your answer. Write 2 paragraphs, introduce the topic, group related information together, make points with facts, definitions, and details. Use linking words. Think about the ones that you're going to use for sequencing. Include an ending statement or section, and use the words slavery and government if you can.